Prairie restoration begins with fire. This grassland at Buffalo Trace, north of Mahomet, is being burned as the first step in restoration. First, the Champaign County Forest Preserve team burns a small test plot. Then they set a backfire along the lee side to keep the fire inside the desired area. They rake flammable material into the fire and tamp down embers outside the burn area. When they're satisfied that it's safe to proceed, they light up the windward sides. Fire quickly covers the entire plot. Burning tends to kill the most active plants, sparing those that are dormant, so timing can be very important to getting the desired result. As the fire progresses, the team watches carefully to make sure it stays under control, patrolling the perimeter to make sure burning embers don't get beyond the planned burn area. This prescribed burn has been an important first step in preparing the plot for restoration. Fire will continue to be used to manage the prairie once native plants have been introduced.